AI and automations are literally taking over the world. This is partially how I was able to earn thousands of dollars like these payouts here and grow my social media to over 550,000 people. Really, it would be 700,000 if TikTok didn't delete us. But nonetheless, AI is amazing and automations are taking over the world. So with all the tools and tips that we've been using, I've been able to grow daily and show you all different ways that we can escape the matrix through finance. Yes, people are earning every single time they post with the websites we mentioned. I'm going to show you what AI tools to use, how to use AI to do it for you. All you got to do is follow along, roll something up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I am The Session, and I'm going to show you how to make $200 a day using AI. You did! Okay, so now we jump to a website of your choice. I'm using Google News right here. And you see when we hit up Google News, it's showing us all the latest articles, all sorts of stuff happening. Now, you're going to pick your category or niche based upon what you like. So if you're doing a sports page, you click sports. If you're doing entertainment, tech, business, whatever, but you want to find a popular, guess what's popular? Buddy just got popped. Buddy just got popped. They shot at him, huh? So now we take this article, right? We have a whole article on Buddy who popped Trump, huh? So this is a popular article, and what you would do is pick an article of your choice that you think has popularity, and you can do a multitude of things. So we're going to copy this, right? Let's say we copy the whole article. Let's scroll down, let's copy the whole article, all the text, right? So you would copy everything that's included in whatever article you choose, and then you're going to copy. So I hit Control C, and then what we're going to do is take your article, and then we need to paraphrase or rephrase it using a tool called Quillbot. So you see, when I press this right here, I open up Quillbot, and it's just a Chrome extension. And the dopest thing about it is they have an app too. So there's no excuse. You can get it on your iPhone. The app is free. You can pay to upgrade, obviously, but I'm going to show you what you could do for free. So let's say we wanted to just paste, right? We wanted to paste from the article what we just read. Now, obviously, it's not going to take the images. You can make your own images in another app, right? Or pick them from the internet if you need them. And then you just press paraphrase. Now, you're watching it in real time, paraphrase. So as you see, when we're scrolling up, the whole article is no more copyrighted. The whole article is no more plagiarized. Does this make sense? The article is no more plagiarized. And since that is the case, hopefully the video is not freezing. And since it's not plagiarized, you can go ahead and copy this. And now you can do two things. You can turn this into a video and post it on your YouTube on using tools like nvideo.com. That's going to let you create videos using text. And now you have a super popular article that we just chose about Donald Trump. And you can literally copy this and put that into nVideo and get paid. That's one way. And this is the tool you would use if you want to go ahead and copy this article right here. All you do is copy, and you can paste it into nVideo. nVideo, as you see, is highly ranked, highly rated. This is going to create you tons of videos based on just text. And you can post these on your YouTube account. Okay, so that's one way you're going to go ahead and be able to get paid every day. If you take the latest sports news, tech news, AI news, maybe, and you posting it on a channel and it's faceless. You don't even have to be involved. This makes the content for you. That's one way you're going to be able to get paid. But let me show you another way. So now that we've copied our article, I want you just to see some of the stuff that Quillbot does. You can use this to paraphrase anything you have going on. It's going to check the grammar, so we're going to make sure all the spelling is correct. It's going to check for plagiarism, and it has an AI detector. So a lot of these places, when you submit something, they can detect if you used AI to write it, or are you cheating? But guess what? This has built in a detection for that. So it's going to work around that for you. You feel me? So now you want to know, how do we get paid from this? You're going to go to websites that I have in the description for you. You don't need to go search. You don't need to go find them. But there's actual blogs and publications that will pay you. As you see, there's 15 I have for you here that are going to pay you to just write popular blogs for them. Write information, write articles, letters, magazine articles, entries for the companies. And these are 15 companies that are going to pay you. And let me show you that it's no cap in my rap. So here's an example of a company, right? Let me close this. And you see this is called Earth Island Journal. And when we scroll down, you'll see right here that companies like them are paying 25 cents a word for up to 4,000 words. 2,800 words is most common. We pay $200 for stories published online. $200 paid for stories online. So imagine, just hear me out, if all you're doing is doing your research to see what is popular, what do I like to talk about, what are some things that I actually care about or have some knowledge on, and you see right here is showing you the most trending stories. If we go to entertainment, you click it, it loads up. It's telling you the most late stuff in entertainment. So if you go ahead and just copy these things, what I suggest is doing industries like technology, because tech is always growing. And then you can just grab these pictures from the internet. If in video or the other things don't include the images for you, you can just grab them from there and then use Quillbot to literally paraphrase these for you, and you can get a video out of it and you can get a blog article. So I suggest you double up. You make a YouTube channel and you just post in tons of information. Look at all these articles you have. There's nonstop information, and everything you see right here is only 2 hours worth of stuff. These articles right here is just two hours worth of stuff. So you could take these, get in video to break down and bust you down a video, cut that up for you, and it's going to turn it into something great. If you want to get paid by writing articles, I have a whole list of 15 websites that's going to pay you to do such. So everything is self-explanatory. Everything is going to be right here for you in the description. Everything is linked below. This is how you escape the matrix, because you're not going to get rich at that job you got. You dig what I'm saying? That manager you got, the boss you got, they're older than you. They've been there for 20, 30 years. So if you don't have the skills to outpace them, you're not going to out-earn them. But if you make yourself more valuable to the masses with a one-to-many strategy, we can get paid on the internet, and you don't even have to be that intelligent to do it. I know y'all can do it because y'all type in wigs, lashes, OnlyFans, and a bunch of other shit. You feel me? Pray you enjoyed this video. Let's take it to the other screen. Whether you use your phone or your computer, let me know what y'all thought of these tools and which one of these things will you be using below. I will be picking one of these amazing comments to win $25. You dig. Until next time, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And make sure you subscribe here. We coming out with daily heat. You dig.